The Relative Strength Index is a technical indicator that measures the momentum of a security based on its closing prices. This indicator is officially one of the most popular trading tools out there, along with stochastic, MACD and moving averages. It does a quite good job at indicating when the security's price is overbought or oversold, helping traders make their trading decisions. So overall, the indicator is pretty legit. But what if I told you there is another improved version of the RSI that works 10 times better and is much easier to read? This version is called the Rainbow Adaptive RSI, and in today's video I will show you a trading strategy with this indicator that will make you serious profits. I will also do my backtesting to find out how well the strategy performs in different market conditions. I'm using Trader Edge for backtesting my strategies. This is officially the best backtesting service on the internet. Thousands of traders around the world are using Trader Edge to get an edge in their competition. Trader Edge is a lot faster than a traditional backtesting method. All you need to do is to set up your initial account size and the profit and loss per trade. Trader Edge will give you all the information about your strategy, such as the win ratio, the profit and loss, the profit factor and much more. You will also find some other cool features on their website, such as the position size calculator, which can be really handy for those who trade forex and commodities, the profit and loss calendar where you can track your trading performance and make some important notes, and the indicators and strategies menu. Here you can find and download some super accurate tools for MT4 and TradingView platforms, and they've all been proven to work. If you're not entirely sure how to backtest, no worries, you will get a full step-by-step backtesting plan which has $100 value. If you're not sure how to build a profitable and reliable trading strategy, no problem. You will also get a full course on how to build a profitable mechanical trading strategy which has $270 value. And if you sign up right now, they'll throw in 4 pre-made high quality strategies that have $100 value. So that's around $500 worth of bonuses, all for free, but only if you sign up right now. Trader Edge has a 7-day free trial, so there is literally no risk at all. So go ahead and check it out. I will leave a link in the description below. Alright, so we're currently looking at the price of Dogecoin USD on a 5-minute time frame, and now let's go ahead and add a magic indicator to the chart. So Rainbow Adaptive RSI by Algo, make sure you save it to your collection. Right away we can see that this is a really cool looking indicator and is quite different from the regular RSI. This oscillator uses an adaptive moving average as input for another RSI oscillator and aims to provide a way to minimize the impact of retracements over the oscillator output without introducing significant lag. The indicator can be used like any normalized oscillator, but unlike a classical RSI, the oscillator does not converge toward 50 with high length values. This is caused by the RSI using a smooth input. The trigger line is a smoothed RSI using an EMA as input and won't remain as near to 100 and 0 as the main oscillator. As we can see, when these two lines cross each other, the indicator prints a tiny circle. We're going to be using this tool as a first confirmation indicator. By the way, the inputs are on default. So how do we actually enter long and short positions using this indicator? So for a short signal to be valid, the indicator must first get into overbought area. And as soon as it gets out and prints a new circle, this is going to be a signal for us to take a short position. For a long signal, the indicator must first get into oversold area and then get out and print a new circle. So now you have an idea on how this indicator works. Now let's go ahead and build our trading strategy. For that, we need to add 2 more indicators to the chart. Alright, now let's access the settings on this moving average. And in the input section, let's add another EMA. We're going to set its length at 50. Also, let's make some adjustments to the trend meter. These indicators will help us minimize a lot of false signals issued by the RSI. Okay, now let's understand the exact rules for this strategy. So for a buy signal, the following conditions must be met. First, the 50 EMA is above the 200 EMA. Second, the Rainbow RSI must issue a new buy signal. For that, the RSI line must get into oversold area, then it has to get out of that area and then cross this smoothed moving average. As soon as the lines cross each other, a circle will appear. And finally, to confirm the entry, the trend meter has to print 5 green dots. The stop loss will be set at the recent swing low. And for this strategy, we're going to be targeting 1.5 times the risk. If the RSI issues a new long signal but the 50 EMA is still being below the 200 EMA, you do not wait for them to catch up, you simply skip this signal. So the idea behind the strategy is this: we're first waiting for the trend to be confirmed, and then we enter the trade at the pullback. Alright, now let's understand the short positions. So first, the 50 EMA must be below the 200 EMA. Second, the rainbow RSI must issue a new sell signal. For that, the RSI line must first cross above the 80 level. Then it has to cross it downwards and then also cross the smoothed line. As soon as that happens, a tiny circle will appear. And for a final confirmation, the trend meter must print 5 red circles. The stop loss will be set at the recent swing high. The take profit target at 1.5 times the risk. If you want to increase your odds even more, avoid any signals that happen on massive candlesticks like this. These sharp moves usually result in pullbacks. Alright, let's see one more short example. Here we see that the downtrend is confirmed by the position of these moving averages. The RSI got overbought and then it issued a new sell signal, and the trend meter confirmed it. Obviously, there is no strategy that would work 100% of the time, and this one is not an exception. That's why we need to do our backtesting to find out its true win rate. Alright, so I just finished the backtesting and the results are crazy good. I found those 100 setups within 3 months. Out of 100 trades, we had 69 wins and 31 losses. The profit and loss is also looking pretty good. We increased the account size by 310.94%. The profit factor is 3.34 and we had 8 consecutive wins against 3 consecutive losses. So yeah, the strategy is doing pretty good. However, I must mention that all the backtests are unique. Do not base your investment decision off of this advice. You must forward test the strategy first with paper money before you start trading live. Also, the profit and loss will be different when trading live because of spreads and fees, so please be aware of that as well. Alright traders, I think that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you like it if you found it useful. By the way, if you're looking for more trading strategies for crypto, check out this playlist right here.